Hello, all my dear students. Let's start exercise 8b. Question number first. Simplify. In bracket 3 plus 4 bracket close multiply by 5. When two or more than two operations are present, we use a basic rule to simplify. We have already learned about mass, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is the simplification rule, but here you can see bracket we are involving in an equation bracket. So here we will use our simplification rule BO, board mass. Here B stands for brackets. So here we know that there are three types of bracket we have. First is round bracket, then second is curly bracket, at the last is square bracket. First we will solve this round bracket, then after that we will solve second curly, and at the last we will solve square bracket. In this manner we have to solve the brackets first. Brackets are very useful in simplification. Brackets tell us which part of the sum is to be solved first. So, and this O stands for of you know very well, we have already done half of 10 like this. So at the after bracket we will solve of, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let's start solution. Now first B, board mass. B, we use bracket, we will solve bracket first. So you will get 3 plus 4 7. Then now we will multiply 7 5 are 35. Here question number 6. In square bracket 7 plus, in round bracket 18 divided by 9 round bracket close and square bracket close plus 3. So first of all I told you I have first we will solve round bracket. This round bracket we will solve. So right, 7 in bracket plus here 18 divided by 9 you will get 2. Round bracket solve first, then square bracket close plus 3. 7 plus 2 9. We will solve now square bracket, then plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. Question number 9. In square bracket round bracket 60 divided by 3 round bracket close multiply 5 and square bracket close divide by, in round bracket 27 minus 2. So here first of all we will solve this round brackets here and here. This parenthesis you can call parenthesis there. Here 60 divided by 3 is 20 multiply by 5 round bracket close divide by this square bracket close. Now we will solve this bracket. 27 minus 2 is 25. 25 is a 100 divided by 25. Now 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75 and 25 fours are 100. So question number 12. 450 divided by, in bracket 18 multiply 5 minus 10 divided by 2. So 440 50 as it is divide by, now we will solve this bracket first. It's 18 multiply by 5, 18 5s are 90 minus 10 divided by 2. Here we, now after bracket is over, now we will solve using D mass. We use division first. So here division we can do, and here also we can solve at the same time. So it's 9 5s are 45. So it's, you will get 5 times 90 5s are 450 minus 10 divided by 2 is 5. So now 5 minus 5 is 0. Now question number 13. Half 1 upon 2 of, in bracket, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. So first of all we will solve bracket. So half of 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. So first we will solve this bracket. 1 upon 2 of 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. So you will get 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, like this. So here half minus half is 0. Now divided by 2 in board mass. B for bracket, O for off. Now we will solve off first. Off means multiply. We have already learned 1 upon 2 multiply by 0 divided by 1 upon 2. So if you will solve this, so you will get 0, and 0 divided by any number is, answer is 0. Question number 15. 4 upon 5 of 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 3 bracket close divided by 2 and 2 upon 3. So here first of all we will convert this mixed fraction into improper. So 4 upon 5 of 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 3 divided by 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 upon 3. Now we will solve this bracket. In this bracket you can see their denominators are different, so we will take LCM of 3 and 9. If you find the LCM of 3 and 9, so you will get 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are again 3, 1 1. So 3 multiply 3 is 9, so your LCM will be 9. So 4 upon 5 of 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 3 multiply 3 upon 3 multiply 3. Here we will multiply 3 by 3 to get 9 as a same denominator. So 8 upon 3 as it is we will write. 4 upon 5 of 4 upon 9 plus 3 to the 6 upon 9 divided by 8 upon 3. Now add this. 4 upon 5 of 4 plus 6 is 10 upon 9 divided by 8 upon 3. Now off, we will solve off first. In word mass we use after bracket, we will solve off. So 4 multiply 10 is 40, 4 10s are 40, and 5 9s are 45 divided by 8 upon 3. Now we will convert into multiply. 40 upon 45, keep change, we will change here, divide to multiply, and reciprocal of 8 upon 3 is 3 upon 8. Now simplify this question. 8 1s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So here you will get 5 upon 45 multiply 3 upon 1. If you divide by 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45. So here you will get 1 upon 9 multiply by 3 upon 1. Again we can simplify one time, and 3 3s are 9. So here 1 upon 3 multiply 1 upon 1. So your answer will be 1 upon 3.